This is Dahboo77, and it looks like Mr. Gates and his minions are at it again. Mr. Gates now is working out of Colombia, and he has labs there. We have scientists working around the clock, breeding over 30 million mosquitoes that they're releasing in multiple countries, up to 11 countries. And he tries to assure everyone that everything will be okay, but where have I heard this all before? This man and his intentions and where he's taking this is definitely global. Now, in Colombia, where they're breeding all these insects, they're feeding them around the clock, they're giving them fish meal, sugar, blood, and then they plan to take them to these 11 countries. Colombia, which is where they're breeding them, Brazil, Mexico, Indonesia, Sri Lanka, Vietnam, Australia, Fiji, Kiribati, New Caledonia, and Vanuatu. Now, he puts these claims out there that these mosquitoes carry a certain type of bacteria, and that when they carry that, it stops them from being able to transfer dengue fever and other things to humans. This is the claim. But again, I've heard claims before. Large scale. And this man has gone down to southern Florida and released mosquitoes as well, down in the Keys. We know this, we have it on record. But this is the latest. Massive batch of 30 million going to be released in all these countries. I wonder what's going to happen. Going to break this down further on the next live stream. Make sure to join me over on Dahboo777, Monday and Friday, 9 p.m. Eastern. You'll find links below. Much love, y'all.